Hello, welcome to the English class. We have different tips for you as the best student.
1. If you read in your house for the exam, you will have good notes. 2. If you take course in your holidays, you will have the best learning. 3. If you pass all your exams, you will travel to Cancun.
4. If you pay attention to your teachers, you won't fail your exam. 5. If you take the best notes, you will choose your favorite university. 6. When you start to have work in your class, you will take the best notes.
7. If you have good notes, you will have long holidays. 8. If you are good student, you will be a good professional. 9. If you are disciplined, you will have more time to have fun. 10. If you behave excellent in the school, you will have holidays. 11. If you pass the exam of English, you will buy a new phone. 12. If you study very good the subjects in secondary school, you will study in the high school. 13. If you think that study is boring, you will find difficult the subject. 14. If you go to class, you will learn and you will graduate. 15. You will go to the preparatory school if you pass very good the exam.